Hi, if you are applying for global UGrad program, but you don't know how to write the personal statement, then this video is for you. Assalamualaikum and hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel Accelerate to Achieve. I hope you all are doing well and safe. I am Sultan Sheikh, PhD scholar Hamad bin Khalifa University, Qatar. In this video, I am going to talk about how to write personal statement for global UGrad program. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the third video related to Global UGrad program. In first video, I talked about its eligibility criteria and benefits. In second video, I talked about how you can fill the application form. And this is the third video in which I'm going to talk about personal statement writing. Okay. If you want to see my previous video, you can check those video in the description of this video. Or you can see the pop-up in the upper left or right corner to open and watch those videos. So let's talk about this video now. And when you are filling your application form, there is a one section for the personal statement, which is one of the essential part of your application. And you can see on your screen. Now, here are some instructions given by USEFP regarding personal statement. So let's read those instructions and then we will talk more in detail. Okay. Now it is written that please submit a personal statement. The essay should be between 200 to 250 words and should provide a clear and detailed description of it. Now they are asking for 200 to 250 words. I would suggest please um, be specific and write the words as mentioned here. Okay. You have to include what you have to include your personal statement, your interest and personality, your academic objectives, your goals related to your field of study and personal development, and the reasons why you wish to pursue them in the USA and how it relates to your interest and future objectives. Okay. Now, it is again written over that this is the essential part of your application or selection process. And I would suggest do not copy personal statement and first write your personal statement in the Word file and then copy it and paste in the box here. Okay. In that case, actually, you can rectify your errors. You can run the spelling, errors checking, grammar checking, etc. Okay. Now, how you can start your personal statement? Start your personal statement with a strong sentence. Okay, and then you should talk about your interest and personality, and you have to talk about academic objectives, that in which program you are studying in Pakistan, and how this exchange program will help you to uh, uh, you know will help you to improve your skills, and you must include your volunteer experience as well as a community service if you have any, and you must tell them that you are interested in the American culture and you want to explore more about their culture, and you should mention that how you will tell all those learnings or implement those learnings which you have learned in US once you back to your country Pakistan. So you should mention all those points, including these points which are mentioned on their website, which I discussed early. Okay. So I think it is quite clear. Few more instruction I would suggest you please do not copy it, and I would suggest you check its plagiarism once you finalize, but by using the Turnitin software, and also check spelling as well as grammar and also sentence structure. Your personal statement should have some flow. Means if you're talking about your academic objectives, uh, uh, don't talk about that why you are interested in American culture. You have to link each and every paragraph with each other, okay? So that it should have a proper flow. So that's few instruction from my side. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much. In the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.